If you want me to say my criteria for selecting, I think maybe she is smart,
Smart, yeah.
beautiful,
Beautiful, yeah.
kind, and
Kind.
warm heart,
Yeah, warm heart.
and and can help me to improve myself and live for better life for not only me,
Yeah.
but we work for
The whole family.
the family. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. This is the dream sort of girl you just articulated so well. Congratulations. Like this is University of Melbourne, right? The way he articulates things is just perfect. That sort of lady, well, you just articulated is the dream of every man, you know? It's the dream of every man. Okay, we come over here. So yeah, yeah, so from ANU, from
Yeah.
ANU, so you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
You're single? Oh,
Yeah.
there we go. We're single. Yeah. If you guys want to apply for that, just 留言, like just drop a message, right? Drop a message, right? We got ANU, we got Macau University, the top Macau universities. We just now articulated the best kind of you got to study, in the best in order to get the best, and that's very important in life. That's very important in life. Yeah. So like ANU, a bit of your ANU, right? Known as a very, very hard university in the world, a very, very hardcore university in the world.
Yeah, it's hard.
So, how do you balance your stress and your single person
I will
time?
go to the gym.
You go to the gym,
Yeah, and hiking.
hiking.
Yeah, just like
That's the
some
model answer.
sports. Yeah.
That's model answer. Yeah, that's a very model answer. Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
because in Canberra, with I don't know what can I do.
Any-
Yeah, it's boring.
Anything unhealthy? Anything unhealthy that you do? Yeah.
Play game.
Play games, yeah? You still have
Yeah.
time to play games.
Yeah, and sleep.
And sleep.
Sleep
Okay.
and cooking.
And cooking.
Yeah.
Right. And stay alone.
And
Stay alone.
Stay alone.
Stay alone. Okay.
Yeah, just stay alone.
Okay. I see. Okay. So anyone who want to search for ANU, Macau, we're still open, yeah? We're still open. Here we go. Yeah. So Manchester, University of Manchester.
Yeah.
So staying single.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So what's interesting about so we're in Sydney, Australia, and you came from University of Manchester.
Yeah.
That's like the other side of the world, right, with different time zone. So how do you feel that like the study in University of Manchester makes you a better person?
I think
Yeah.
I feel I like this
Yeah.
culture.
Yeah.
I think it's different from Australia or
Yeah.
China. And in Manchester, I meet new friends,
Yeah.
and we travel to another countries in Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's very interesting in my university.
Yeah. So like when you're in UK, you can basically open doors to go to Europe
Yeah.
closer. So if people want to be in Europe, then obviously if they want to, like be closer to the UK, that would be great, right? That would be great.
Yeah.
Right. That's fantastic. That's
Yeah,
fantastic.
It's very convenient for us to travel to another countries.
Okay. So one more chance, right? 你的择偶的那个 criteria 是什么？你们两个的这个 criteria 是什么？这位 lady 我就不问了。对，我已经问了，那边已经问了，你的择偶的那个条件是什么？
I just hope I just want a man he's smart or patient, and a nature is very important.
Does he need to
Nature-
be in the top university, like
no,
graduated?
no. I think it's not
He can
very
be the one-
necessary.
Yeah.
I just want the man who is very mature. He can help me to make some decisions.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we hope we can have the same hobbies
Yeah.
in the future.
Right. So yes, that's opportunity. You don't need to be the top, but you can reach the top if you know where to find the top. Yes. So 你的那个 criteria 是什么？
I have